Mom. Mommy! Boy, what the hell you want? Look what I can do. I'm beating your ass.
What's up, Booba Kitties? It's the girl with the guy's name, Gang Gang. I'm trying to back with another video. So as y'all can see by this title, I'm also be showing y'all old heads how to use TikTok. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the text messages pop up at certain times, and I'm gonna show you how to really make an intricate kind of video. So y'all, make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. So I ended up deleting what I had initially recorded because I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go out here, you guys wanna come with me, and I'm gonna shoot over here. So you're gonna press timer, and you can choose whether you want the timer to be 10 seconds or 3 seconds, and you're gonna use this little red bar to just kind of drag to how whatever piece of sound you want to play with this audio, with this video, and you press start countdown. And now you get into position, into whatever clip you want to do first in order. And it's automatically going to start recording, and then it's going to stop, as you can see right here, this little snippet. So we're going to press flip so that we can record the second person's reaction in this TikTok video. And you're going to press timer, drag. You can do 10 or 3 seconds, press start countdown. And I'm just checking so that I can see when it's going to start recording. And again, the good thing about this is that you can time yourself so that it stops right exactly where you want it to stop. So basically the app is editing everything for you. So we're going to press flip. In this particular scene, I want to have an effect, and this is another great thing. Each clip, you can choose whether you want an effect on it or not. So this particular clip, I want the effect on it. We're going to press timer, 10 seconds, and I'm going to drag this little red bar to where I want it to stop. And as you drag it, you can hear the audio playing, so you'll know what to say once you hear the beep sign after the countdown. So as you can see, I have this silly face because of the effect, and I'm supposed to be like a kid screaming, and then all of my hair got on my face because I have lip gloss on. Yeah, and my top is like all messed up. But yeah, so then I pressed flip, and I made sure that I took the funny face off of this clip. That's one thing you have to keep in mind. If you just did an effect on the last clip, the next clip, if you don't want it to have the effect, make sure that you take the effect off. I'm going to go to timer, 10 seconds, and I'm going to drag exactly where I want the audio to stop. I switch it to 3 seconds, start countdown, and then turn back around. My top is like all over the place, and I'm covering up this text number, so don't pay no mind to that. So I'm gonna press flip, and I'm gonna go back to the funny face, the effects, because I want this clip to be consistent with the funny face, and I'm gonna drag it to exactly where I want it to stop. I forgot I had it on 3 seconds, so you guys are gonna see like when I ran in front of the camera, it was mad funny. So just gonna see where I want it, start countdown. And then I'm acting a damn fool. Get back up. This is tiring, y'all. Get back up. Make sure that I press flip. I want this particular scene to have the funny face too, so I left the effect on. Go to timer. Drag it to where you want the audio to stop. 3 seconds. And I figured the pot in my hand would make it more realistic as a mother yelling at her child. So we're gonna press flip for the camera, and I just want this little piece of audio to match up with this next clip, and we're almost done. So the time is on 10 seconds, start countdown, get into place. And I'm like practicing how I'm gonna act a fool. Okay. Ooh, child. can see I'm tired. And then we're gonna flip the camera again, and we're gonna go to the effects. I think I'm gonna do it. So I decided that I don't want to have the silly face, so we're gonna go to the effects, and I'm gonna take this face off, and we're gonna go back to timer. And this is the last part. Start countdown. My top is all over the place, hair all over the place. Don't pay me no mind, because I was really trying to do this tutorial for y'all. And shoot the last scene, and then automatically it'll just go to this screen and it'll show you everything. And I'm gonna put a snippet in after this tutorial on the finished product so you can hear it with the audio and everything, but it just shows you everything. And I'm gonna show you guys in a more advanced video of the effects and sounds and text that you can add at the bottom. As you can see here, I'll go more in depth in another video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press next, but if you do want to add anything, you can press text here and just add the text. If you have Instagram, the text is kind of similar to Instagram, where you can have the text alone, or you can click the little box with the A, and it'll kind of put the letters in like a box similar to Instagram. But I'll show you guys more in depth in a more advanced video. But when you press next, it's going to lead you to this kind of like a post on any of your social media apps, Facebook, Instagram, and you're basically just going to put whatever you would like. Usually what I do is, let me see what I'm doing here. All right, so I'm just going to show you guys, since I'm not going to add text in this TikTok video, I'm going to show you how to add text here. So once you add the text message, what you can do is tap the text message, and you can put whether you want to edit or set the duration so that you can have certain text pop up at a specific point of the video. And by doing so, you press text, you add the text, and here once you tap the text that you've added, you can put set duration or edit. Edit will allow you to edit the actual text. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a series of TikTok videos, how to, starting from super beginner friendly for baby boomers and older millennials who aren't as savvy when it comes to TikTok. So the first video that I did was super easy. This one was had a little more details to it, and then the next one I'm going to do is just going to be more advanced. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like these type of TikTok tutorials for the older generation who wants to get on the wave too, because these apps and everything don't have an age limit, and I want everybody to be lit and have fun, especially during this time with the damn coronavirus or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you put your TikToks down below, because I want to see you guys in your TikTok videos. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.